Hi, could you call the pharmacist for me? I can give you the number. It is 888-743-2256.
Hello, thank you for calling CVS. How may I help you?
Hi, I need a prescription refill, please.
Sure. What's your birthday?
My birthday is October 17th, 1956.
What is your full name?
My name is Hannah S. Weber.
Which medication is it? Do you have a prescription number?
The prescription name is Lipitor, and the prescription number is 005327.
Unfortunately, you don't have any refills left.
Really? Oh, it's important that I have that medicine. I have high cholesterol. I need that medicine. It's super important. Can you call the doctor and ask for a refill, please?
Yes, I can. I will call you back and let you know when it's approved.
Okay, thank you. I also have a new number. I can give that to you really quick. My new number is 614-557-2240.
Great. I'll call you soon.
Thank you so much. You've been a big help. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.